Oh yeah. So the part number that I ordered from Ducati is 787-100-91A. And here it is, Monster 900 of 1997. There's our strainer, there's our filter. Uh-oh. And although it says £2.40, it's actually more like 12 quid. That's what I actually need. Well, that'll teach me a lesson, won't it? On behaving myself. Now I'm going to have to not bother chasing any more of these, which clearly don't fit, because it's so wrong. So got my vernier out and I did a quick measure, and it's like deformed. So any measurement I get off of it is not good. So if I measure that, do you agree with me that that's, I measure it, 23? Everyone does 22s though, which is weird. And then the outer comes up as a 29 or a 30, if I can get this right. There we go, what would you say that is? 20, 30. So, what a pain. So, even ordering from the powers that be gets me the wrong part. And what they're not showing you here is there's like a 12-day lead time. So I was looking around on the interweb. I found something close. These are 22 by 29. These little babies here, but I won't get them for 2 weeks. So I'll do a bit of phoning around and a bit of asking around. I always say it's just bigger than a 22, but then my vernier's worn out. And that says it's a 30, but it could be a 29. My vernier's just ancient. Yeah, so 2 weeks to wait in order to get them, unless I can find somebody that has them. That's annoying, especially when I got the right part number and I queried it today and they went, yeah, absolutely, that's the right part number. And I went, I've got to tell you that is not the same part that's even pictured there. But hey, there's nothing anyone can do about it or is interested in doing about it. My own mistake, and that'll just teach me not to be so exuberant and think that I've lined everything up when I absolutely mullered that washer. But it has set me back a bit of time because now I can't run the motorcycle. Oh yeah. So yeah, we've got a hole in the side of the engine where I can't do nothing. Can't do nothing. I can stick my finger in the hole. I can't do much else. I didn't know how that was helping, but now it's just going to sit here and wait. Oh, it's doing my head in. It's got premium fuel in the tank and the battery that's charged and a button that will go, and frustrating. Well, what am I going to do? So I'm not going to wait around all day. What I'm ordering is some aluminium sealing washers off of GTSE and a pack of 50. Add to basket. See how much this actually comes out at. Check out. I reckon it's £5. £5.98. Doesn't say what shipping is. This is where they get you. So 22 by 30's got to be the one. Right, I'll log in, pay, and show you what's next. It's recalculated to £9.68. Oh, great. Complete my order at £9.68 for a pack of 50. Well, I might have to give Andy 49. He's gonna have to keep that bike forever now. Oh. Thank you, Alex. All right, so I've got my order number. I can go shopping and buy some more. I really shouldn't be on websites like this, should I? I don't know. It's just not the most amazing colours. Do actually need, it's not so much a drill bit as... Anyway, thanks for watching. and yeah, let's see when they arrive and whether they fit.